Hi guys! So sa video na ito, we will have a math tutorial about rotational symmetry, order of rotation, and angle of rotation. What is rotational symmetry? Rotational symmetry simply means that it coincides with itself in a rotation of less than 360 degrees. So for our first example, we have this flower with 6 petals. With rotational symmetry, there are a couple of definitions that we need to know. First is order of rotation. Order of rotations basically ask the question, how many times will it coincide with itself? So kung ilang beses ba siya pwedeng maikot na kamukha yung sarili niya. So try natin. Ikot natin yung flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our order of rotation is equal to 6. Next is angle of rotation. Angle of rotation, yung formula niya is 360 degrees over n. Yung n is equal siya sa order of rotation. So, kung gagawin natin yung formula, magiging 360 degrees over 6, the answer is 60 degrees. So, our angle of rotation with this example is 60 degrees.